Now we're going to focus in the portfolio one more time. But now, for the about me statement, you will have to type 3 paragraphs, and those 3 paragraphs is going to be related with something about you, related with your background, your long and short-term goals, as well. Why did you pick LaGuardia? Why did you choose your major? And you can also type about your job experiences or anything related with yourself that you want to share with the professor and your system. So feel free to write everything here. Everything right here. Also, you see this prompt box. You can just click this 4 squares icon. So you can just click it and then you won't see it anymore. If you want to see it one more time, you can just click it. And the advantage of this is because you will see the instructions on how to do it. You will probably see in the following classes some questions that you can use it to complete the assignment. But in this case, it's really simple, so you don't need it. As I mentioned, just type something about you in 3 paragraphs. It has to be exactly 3 paragraphs. So now, how can you change or edit this section? You will see this pen icon, so you're gonna click it. Once you click it, it's gonna turn blue. So I'm gonna delete it, these nonsense words, and you are gonna begin with your about me statement. So now I already have it with me. I'm gonna use it. I have it here in my Microsoft Word. So I'm gonna copy and paste it, and there you go. So now, 1 paragraph, second paragraph, and the third paragraph. So it meets the requirement for the about me statement. Once you complete it, remember, you need to save it, and the only way that you can save it is by going here, publish pages, and then publish. And there you go, it has been published. So now the professor and I will be able to see your assignment completed. Now, something that you can also need to complete is adding a profile picture and a quote. So before I do that, I'm gonna strongly recommend you to change the title of your portfolio with your full name. So you will see this flag icon over here, so you can just click it. And once you click it, you will see an additional option, which is the year icon. So you can click it. Once you click it, you will see in the left side these blog settings. You can just click in section options. So you click it, and then you will see this bar over here where you can just type it. You type your full name with your full name. In this case, Luis de la Cruz. And now it already changed, as you can see in the background. You don't need to click anything else. Once you wrote your full name, you can just click the X icon, and there you go. One more time, if you want to save every single edit, you can just publish pages one more time and click publish. Probably it's gonna be a little annoying to every time publish pages, but I truly recommend you to do that because I don't want you to complete your assignment and suddenly because you didn't click in publish pages, it's gonna be erase your assignment. So be careful with that. So far, I have my full name in the title of my portfolio, and also I completed about me statement. So far I'm doing great, and I hope you too. So once you do that, you can also use this year icon over here to make some changes. You can just play with it. You can see that you can change the text. You can make it with a different color. You can change not only the color but also the alignment. You will see that you have different type of letters, so feel free to play with this. But I strongly recommend you to just keep the type of the letter. Try to make it formal, not to add so many colors. but so far I think it's great. Then what about the profile picture? So you will have to add a picture because this is part of the assignment as well. So you can either use your cell phone and take a selfie, or you can use another picture that you previously taken. But in this picture, in the profile picture, it needs to be only you. Don't post a picture where you are with your family or with your friends or in another situation that is not totally professional. Let's say that you took a picture in a party or in the beach or something like that. Try to make it a little more formal. It's okay, you can just post, let's say, a picture in, I don't know, in the streets or in a park. But as I mentioned, try to post a picture that is only you, not nobody else, okay? So once you add the picture, it's gonna change the background and the profile of your entire portfolio. So let's do it. So once you click the pen icon over here, it will show you three options: add more items, replace this item, and edit caption. So we always gonna use replace this item. Remember the second option. Don't use it the first one or the third one. So we are gonna click replace this item. You click it, and then you're gonna click upload file. Once you click upload file, you will see this blue plus icon. So you can either drag or just select a file from your desktop. So I already have it over here, profile. I'm gonna open this one. Then as I mentioned, it's only myself, nobody else. Then I'm gonna click upload. You need to wait until you see it over here. It's gonna take some time. I'm gonna click these 4 squares over here because I don't want to see the prompt box. You will have to wait until you see it. You can adjust this picture. There you go. So as you can see in the image size, you will see different options to change the picture that you're gonna post. As you saw at the beginning, it didn't show myself, so you can just click even best fit or full size. So just make as many changes as you want. Also, you can just change this box over here for the picture. As you can see, there is an empty space over here, an empty space over here. So if you see these white dots, white circles, you can adjust the picture. So now I make it a little shorter. You see? You will also see this intersection icon. This will allow you to move this box over here, but not only for this, for the picture, but also for the text. So you also have this option. You have the option as well to adjust this box. So you want to write something else, you can just make it larger. You think that you have so much space, you can make it shorter. There you go. So now I have my about me statement, the profile picture that is totally important in your portfolio. You have your full name, and you will have to look a quote, a favorite quote. You can scroll down until you see favorite quotation, and then you can just delete again these nonsense words and type your quote. How can you do it? Just open a Google page and then type quote or quotes, and you will see different options: quotes about life, quotes about love, quotes about change. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna type quotes and then enter, and then just pick a quote of any of these pages. So I'm gonna pick let's say this, so I can go to the third link. Okay, I find one. I found this quote over here, so I'm gonna copy this. Once you copy this code, you can just go to your ePortfolio. Make sure that the pen icon is blue, so you can just delete it and paste it. As you can see, I already paste my quote. I think it's from Mandela. Yes, Nelson Mandela. So I'm gonna type it over here, the author, and there you go. So for the quote, it's not gonna take you too much time unless you want to take your time to pick your favorite quote, the most meaningful one. So there you go. So that is the only thing that you need to do. Remember, the most important part is your about me statement, your profile picture, and the favorite quote. These three are the most important ones. I can also change the background of my ePortfolio in this case, so you want to make it look a little more different. So you can just download any background for internet. So you can just type, for example, background, and then you will see different options. I'm gonna type in this case background roads. Then you go to images, and then you can just pick one. Remember, try to pick a background that is not too bright and also not too dark. So let's say that you pick something like this. It's gonna make your portfolio darker. So this is another example. It's gonna make it so dark your portfolio. You have other options over here that it is gonna make your portfolio look so much better. And once you download it, you can just post it over here. So in this case, if you want to change the background of your portfolio, you will see it in this gear icon, not the gear icon of this box. So remember, every single section, it has different options. So for the picture, you will see these options. You place the cursor in this box, you will see the options. And now you place the cursor outside of these boxes, you will see in the right side these three options. So I'm gonna click in the gear icon. Okay, let's say that you click by accident the trash icon. You can just click this X icon over here, and there you go. So now once I click the gear icon, then I can see here top layer background, and then you can scroll down, and then you will see the picture that is in your portfolio by default. So you want to change it, you click select image, then upload file, and you're gonna upload the background image that you downloaded from internet. So I already have one. And then you wait. There you go. As you can see the background of my portfolio, that it looks totally different. You won't see the background different in another sections. You will have to do that same process. So as you can see, there is a lag icon in another sections. You can ignore these sections over here because you already complete about me. You don't need to type it 2 or 3 more times, but that is gonna be enough. If you want to change as well the background of your full name, you can do the same thing. You click the lag icon over here, the year icon, and scroll down, and then you will see select image. So you click it. In this case, because I already posted a picture of the background, you can see previous uploads. And this is the advantage of using the ePortfolio, because every single assignment that you posted before is going to be saved. So I can click previous uploads. As you can see, this is the background picture that I already posted a few minutes ago, and as well the picture. So I'm going to click the background as well, and you can see the check icon. And once you click it twice, you will see it as well at the top. And then you can just keep changing more your e-portfolio. As you can see, it doesn't make it look better because the letters of my full name is red and it mixes it with the background, so it's kind of confusing. So you can just change it with another background image. But now you have the idea. So one more time, once you make any change, you need to go to 3 horizontal lines and publish pages. One more time, remember, this is really important. So you click it, and then you can see that every single page is red, so that's not good. You need to click publish. Let's say that you want to publish pages and it doesn't let you, it's because it has already been published. So don't worry, just cancel that the publishing. So there you go, that's my portfolio. Also, another option that you can use is the edit mode. So once you click it, it will show you the publish view. So let's click it and let's see what it's gonna show you. So when you click publish view, it's gonna show you how your viewers are gonna see your e-portfolio. In this case, the viewers are gonna be the professor and your SSM. So this is how my e-portfolio looks now. You see, if I click edit mode again, it's gonna show me the instructions over here. One more time, remember the assignment is to write your about me statement, 3 paragraphs about you, then the profile picture, this is important, remember, and then finally the third one is your quote. Once you do these 3 assignments, you did these 3 requirements for your assignment, make sure that you publish pages and then you have completed. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I helped you. Bye.